Hi, welcome to episode 10, and today we're going to go over business and how they can save money to increase their profit margins. So one of the things business owners talk about, and businesses in general say, like, hey, I want to increase more sales. I want to add more new customers. So that's only one side. One of the key components to look at is profit, and in order to increase profit, hopefully you have each of your sales, or your products and services, have a healthy profit margin. We want to look at, one way is to increase more leads, of course, and new customers, and then another way is to look at the expenses. So here are some of the ways you can look at the expense side rather than just increasing new customers, because sometimes that's the easier side that most people don't consider. So one is monthly subscriptions. Are there subscriptions that you're like, hey, why am I paying for this? Do I really need this? So check out your credit card bill and look at and review every one of them, and if they really do add value or not. Some of the other things is talk to your internal staff to see if there's something that they could do that you don't really need to hire an outside source to do. Maybe there's a hidden talent that they can edit, or they can help on let's say administrative duties on the site or the business. And then the third piece is even hiring externally. Sometimes there are projects that doesn't necessarily require to hire a full-time employee, or even a group of people. Just hire them externally for that project. Once it's is done, you don't have to worry about that anymore, and you're good to go. So hope that helps. Have a good day.